Ever found yourself with a pocket full of spare change and wondered if it could be doing something more? Like, maybe, growing into a small fortune. What if I told you that your daily coffee, that Uber ride, or even your online shopping spree could be a secret weapon in your investment journey? We're all familiar with the concept of saving, but what if we shifted our mindset from just saving to smart investing, especially with those seemingly insignificant amounts? This is where an app like Acorns comes in, a fantastic tool designed to turn your spare change into investments. It's built on a simple, yet powerful idea: micro-investing. The core feature of Acorns is roundups. When you link your debit or credit cards, every purchase you make is rounded up to the nearest dollar. For example, a $3.75 coffee becomes a $4 charge, and that extra 25 cents is then collected. Once those roundups accumulate to at least $5, Acorns automatically invests that money for you. It's a frictionless way to start investing without feeling like you're taking a big chunk out of your budget. Getting started is incredibly easy. First, you'll download the Acorns app and create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward, and they'll ask you a few simple questions to understand your financial goals and risk tolerance. This helps them recommend a diversified portfolio that's right for you, whether you're a cautious saver or a more aggressive investor. Next, you'll link your funding sources. You can link multiple accounts, like your checking account, and the cards you use most often. Remember, this is the magic step where Acorns can begin to track your purchases and initiate those roundups. Once your accounts are linked, Acorns gets to work. It's all automated. You don't have to think about it. The spare change is collected, the $5 threshold is met, and the money is invested into a portfolio of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are baskets of stocks and bonds, so your money is diversified across hundreds or even thousands of companies, which helps to spread risk. Beyond the roundups, Acorns also offers other features to boost your investments. There's the Found Money program, where partner brands will invest a percentage of your purchase into your account. Think of it as a cashback reward, but instead of cash, you get an investment. And for those who want to accelerate their growth, you can set up recurring daily, weekly, or monthly investments for a fixed amount. So, why is this a game changer? Because it breaks down the barrier to entry for investing. You don't need a lot of money to start. You don't need to be a financial expert. Acorns makes it accessible, easy, and almost unnoticeable. It's about building a consistent habit of investing, and over time, the power of compound interest can turn those small amounts into something substantial. It's a simple, smart way to take a small step today towards a more financially secure tomorrow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.